Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. With your permission, Mr. Speaker, sir, let me just share with this House a development that should make us all proud. At the 36th meeting of the International Civil Aviation Organization, Asia Pacific Air Navigation Planning and Implementation Regional Group, or known as APAN PIRG 36, held in Bangkok from the 24th to 26th November 2025, Ms. Teresa Levestam, Chief Executive of Civil Aviation Authority of Fiji, was elected chairperson of APAN PIRG. This historic appointment makes her the first woman to lead the group and only the second Pacific Islander to hold the role, following fellow Fijian Tone Koreitamana, who previously served as chair from 1992 to 1998. APAN PRG is ICAO's key regional body responsible for reviewing and updating the Asia Pacific region Air Navigation Plan, monitoring implementation, addressing operational and infrastructure deficiencies, and driving initiatives such as performance-based navigation, seamless air traffic management, and regional safety improvements. For Fiji and the wider Pacific, APAN IRG is especially important as it provides a forum for the unique needs of small island developing states, longer water routes, dispersed island communities, vulnerability to environmental and economic shocks are directly reflected in regional planning, while also ensuring that the Pacific airspace remains safe, resilient, and well integrated into wider Asia-Pacific air travel networks. Teresa is from Motusa and Rotuma, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
The Vualiku, the Fiji Tourism Development Program, Vanua Levu, represent far more than a series of projects. It is a promise to the people of Vanua Levu that the future of tourism will be strong, inclusive, and rooted in the spirit of our communities. Today, I'd like to present a brief update on some of the recent activities under the Vualiku program. It is not a question of implementation, readiness, but rather we are already implementing. Mr. Speaker, sir, members will appreciate that the program was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister just over a year ago on 20 September 2024. And since that time, I'm happy to report that we have established a central project management unit at the Ministry of Tourism and Civil Aviation, which is now fully staffed and operational. Airport Fiji and Fiji Roads Authority, which are also implementing agencies under this program, have also set up project implementation units to oversee their respective components of the program. As this August House would be aware, the program is designed to have three phases. Phase one lays the foundation for sustainable tourism by addressing barriers such as insufficient or inadequate infrastructure, limited essential services, and weak institutional coordination. It includes airport and road improvements and basic services, support for tourism MSMEs, access to finance for community-based tourism operators, capacity building, and institutional strengthening. Phase two will promote medium